Assalamualaikum and hi to all my viewers. Me and my team have made a research about bats and its disease. So we choose white nose syndrome topic as our case studies. White nose syndrome is an emerging disease of North American bats that have caused unprecedented population declines. WNS is an infection disease of hibernating bats. This is caused by a pathogenic fungus. The fungus, called Pseudogymnoascus destructans, is a psychrophilic, cold-loving fungus. WNS started in New York in 2006. It has been a rapid spread. WNS primarily spread between bats or from the cave environment to bats. It is not transmissible from bats to human. The fungus causes bats to wake up more and burn up their limited fat. The dead bats are often discovered with a white fuzz around their muzzles and wings. Types of bats that have been affected with white nose syndrome. The first one is Indiana bat or Myotis sodalis. The second one is gray bat, Myotis grisens. These two types of bat is endangered species. The third one is cave bats or Myotis villifer, and the fourth one is big brown bat, Aptychicus fuscus. White nose syndrome effects. Bats have been unfairly blamed for the global pandemic COVID-19, but as you all know that white nose syndrome is not related to COVID-19. This white nose syndrome disease have made high death rates and fast population declines in bat species. Bats were seen flying out in the middle of winter onto the snowy landscape. It is reported by citizens of that bats found in backyard was much higher than normal. The goal of analysis. The first one is preventing spread of the pathogen to new areas. Second one is to reduce the risk of spread of PE destructant by humans. And the third is finding a treatment for infected bats.
What do we know about PE destructants? Pseudogymnoascus destructans is a newly described cold-loving fungus which thrives at temperatures between 4 and 10 degrees Celsius, which explains why the disease targets hibernating pets. Biologists think PD for short is mostly spread by pets touching other pets or surfaces that have PD on them, and not all pets that have PD on them become sick. Several species in fact have been found with PD but have not been affected. Bats with white nose syndrome arouse frequently from hibernation, which depletes the fat depots essential for their winter survival. Even if the bats survive infection during hibernation, scars or defects often persist in the wings. In some cases, these wounds are incidental, and in others they may decrease survivability. What are the key effects of white nose syndrome? It is the worst wildlife disease towards pets. It made a massive destruction of wing tissues, spread from one bat to another, and almost 1% death rates.
Alternative to stop white nose syndrome spread. The first one is the authorities should close the caves and abandon mines from essential human travel. The second one is anyone who comes into contact with bats undergoes decontamination procedures. And the third one is speed up the progress of obtaining medicines, vaccines, and vitamins or others. In conclusion, bats is very important to our ecosystem. because bats consume flies, moths, and other insects, allowing them to efficiently manage insect population. Many plants that are valuable to humans depend on bats as pollinators and seed dispersers. As humans, we should take responsibility to save bats by do not visit all caves or mines during winter to avoid spreading this white nose syndrome to another bats. As an authorities, a new law should be enacted and implemented from the aspect of the health and life of bats. At the end of the day, white nose syndrome can be controlled.